Got myself a drone. DJI, and these things fold out right here. You pull all them out. Here's the remote to it. Trying to get these darn things out. They're hard to get out. Right. And then these things right here, you set your phone in between these two things. I'll show you. Put a phone in there, then there's that wire right there. Hooks into your phone, and it put that in there, and you can see on the screen a camera. I've had this drone up to almost 400 feet in the sky. You can't go any more than 400 feet because airports and stuff. I can record, take pictures with this drone, and go real far. Some guy had it pretty close to 2 miles away, but I won't go that far. Maybe a football field and a half. It's 30 minutes of run time on it, but I got 2 more batteries. Here's the little camera here. You can probably see it right there. Here's the dog. She's mad at me because she got real sick, so she's on antibiotic and she won't take her pill, so I had to shove it down her throat. I don't like doing it, but that's what I gotta do. But once I get learning this drone, I should get some pictures, video and stuff. Over and out.